Hey guys, so the reason I flew yesterday was to recover a truck where the company had parted ways with the driver, and truck was in good condition for the most part. The only problem was, at least at the time, was that the batteries were dead. So yeah, somehow luckily my buddy happened to be coming kind of up this way, so he said he'd just come over here and help me jump it off if we could get some battery cables or some jumper cables. And it got approved by the company because it was only about 29 miles out of route, and some jumper cables were going to be much cheaper than the cost of having a road service come out here. So we did that. We got it running, and now I don't know if you can hear that air leak. Doesn't matter how long I run it. When I push the trailer brakes in, that's what we're dealing with. So yeah, I gotta go find that leak somewhere in the same shirt so that I don't have to get a new shirt dirty as I roll around on the ground.